When are you gonna propose to me, bitch?
When you learn how to fold your laundry,
I fold my laundry and I clean my apartment.
You don't, you just... Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani and we're finally back together after family day long vacation.
Weekend. It's a long weekend here in Canada and I went home to my family. I didn't vlog that, but anyway.
Oh, you didn't vlog anything?
I didn't.
Disgusting.
Yeah. You guys, so today's video is a very exciting video because we're finally watching Moira's wedding video.
Oh my god, Moira, my sweetie pie.
I think I'm gonna cry because you guys, let me tell you something. You all know, some of you probably know that I'm a wedding photographer and I do wedding videography as well, which is my brother. But I'm excited because I can't wait to see. I'm probably gonna get some pointers. I'm gonna see how the videography is like and what we know about Moira. Moira, to me, even though I haven't met her, only basing through videos, I think she has the purest heart ever.
She's so gorgeous. Her heart is so beautiful. It's
genuinely nice, genuinely kind.
Yeah.
She's just perfect.
Yes. And I know I'm gonna cry for sure because now Jason is taken.
And every time I photograph weddings, I always cry every time, especially when they do their vows. And we kind of saw the vow already with the iPhone taken picture.
It was so beautiful, that vow. Those words that they said to each other, they were so pure.
So guys, watch this with us. Grab some coffee. I got some coffee.
Grab some tissues.
Popcorn, whatever. Tissues, yes. Yeah, so this was really Valentine's Day, but we were busy. We went out. We had a date.
Yes, it was so fun.
So cute.
Did you edit that?
Yeah, it was uploaded.
Oh, it was uploaded? Yeah. Okay, you watched it, guys.
Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead right into the video. Oh, by the way, special announcement. You guys, we are starting a travel vlog channel. We are linking that down in the description box, so go ahead, follow that.
Yay!
Go ahead, start the video. I'm so excited, Fabio.
Me too.
Oh, this is...
Increased brightness.
When is our wedding? That's it.
Oh.
When's our wedding, Fabio?
A microphone.
Wow. Oh my God. I
love the beginning
videography already. Like, because they both sing. Music is their life. Oh my God. Oh shoot. I love what they did here.
Oh my God, is there anything? It's very cinematic. Guitar.
Looks like Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
I wonder what song. Oh my God, I love that it...
Oh yeah.
They incorporated some of their concerts. You bring out the best in me.
Oh, dip.
I love Jason's jacket. Oh, that's a nice shot. I'm gonna do that.
Beautiful shot. Yeah.
That was actually a nice shot. I'm gonna use that.
And she's riding, he's playing. Oh my God, this is the perfect couple.
Oh, I love the videography. Moira cries a lot. She has like the purest heart ever. Why is she so cute? Jason and Moira.
So today I stand before you in front of our family and friends, fully convinced that you are mine and I am yours.
Oh my God.
There's a fear in my eyes when I see you.
This was the one what we saw.
All tomorrows appear in a blink. Fear in there be day.
Look at Jason.
I will awake and I wouldn't find you.
Oh.
When's our wedding, bitch? I have goosebumps. Wow, how can you not cry when you're at that wedding? Because doesn't Moira have like a dark past or something? Or somebody died in her family?
Sabi mo sa akin, palagi kang hati pagkasama mo sila Tito John sa Olongapo. Namimiss mo si Daddy Mike sa Las Vegas and vice versa. Well, ngayon, mabubuo na yung pamilya mo.
Now your family's complete.
You can call me Daddy Jason. Joke lang. Joke lang.
She's so cute.
She is. Oh wow, he looks good in that suit.
Oh, he's handsome. Who is
Is
he? So the color tone is blue or lavender? What is that? Lavender,
blue.
right?
It's blue.
I think it's lavender. Just look at they have lavender. Oh, that's so cute.
The dogs, hopefully they won't shit on the carpet.
Wow. There's a lot of flowers. Juice? They're drinking
I'm sure
juice.
there's vodka in it. I love the color tone.
I love the color. Oh, guitar. Wow.
What?
That's my dream. That's a lot of lights.
It's a lot
Oh my
of
god,
lights.
photography would be so perfect with that because you get a bokeh the background, blur the background.
Wow, look at those flowers.
Jason, you may now kiss your bride for the very first time.
Oh wow, from morning all the way to evening.
For the very
vows,
first time.
they were so long. 9 hours vows.
I think that was afternoon fun.
I know. Come on, Joel.
Can you believe this? That's their first kiss. Oh, that's
Cute.
magical. More is like enough. Jason touched her face so much that I'm scared for the foundation.
Asking God why my family was suddenly broken. I felt like it was my fault. And with all the friendships and relationships I had since, I always felt the need to manipulate my way around it
This is the next
so
day.
that I wouldn't
They're still
mess
there.
up and I wouldn't be left behind again. But I also remember 2 moments I felt most pursued by God. First, the day I recommitted my life to Him, the same day He restored my faith and healed me from depression. And the second, the day you came.
I think this is the wedding of the year. It's so nice.
Wow. This video is so perfect.
It's nice, it's
like a
nice.
movie.
So cinematic.
There.
Oh no, wrong song. Wrong song.
Oh my god, look how beautiful.
I wonder where this is.
landscape.
How could you not cry to be in this wedding? I really think the color tone is lavender, Fabio. Look. She has lavender.
Nah. Oh, she's crying. I wonder how many tissues they use for this wedding.
He's writing the vow. I think he copy and pasted it from his computer. Oh, that's nice.
Through you, God introduced to me
Oh my god, there's a lot of
love founded in
big
peace.
people in this.
Jason, my
Look how
Winnie.
smiley he is.
Thank you for doing it right. Thank you for showing me how it feels to be pursued in a way that honors God. To be celebrated and
That's
fought
so
for with
religious.
no
That's
questions.
so
Such a
nice.
beautiful
and to be
couple.
loved unconditionally. Today, this is my confidence. You were the man I asked God for.
Oh,
I'm finally home.
Oh wow.
drone shot.
Can't stop smiling.
I can't stop smiling either.
Look at those flowers and everything.
Aww. Wow, look at the dress.
Wow, it's beautifully beaded.
Look at the embroidery in the dress.
Okay,
Aww.
wow.
I am far from the man.
Oh, that's a beautiful shot.
Ang daming pagkakamali, ang daming pagkukulang. But seeing you here right now, ikaw yung greatest reminder of God's grace in my life.
Oh,
That I don't deserve, pero binigay niya.
oh my
Oh
god.
wow, Jesus.
Promise na You'll never feel like a curse. You're not a failure. You're not a burden. Because you are and will always be my greatest blessing.
Wow.
Hitch, how could you not cry?
She's taking selfies
This day
for Insta.
and our last day. I love you, Moira.
Look at the view! Where is this? Look at that shot. That's a nice shot. Oh, they were waving at each other. Who's that? Oh, Inigo Pascual. This is so cute.
Wow, the dress.
I can't say anything. I'm speechless. I just want to watch.
After the wedding, they asked her to walk forward and back a few times to
Probably.
sweep the floor. They were like, "Can you clean the floor with the dress?"
I like the veil, like the material that they
Yeah.
used, right?
Yeah, it's very
Dreamy.
see-through.
It's see-through,
yeah,
but it's still-
it
yeah.
doesn't cover too much, so it's very beautiful.
It still shows the face. Perfect fabric choice. Well, that was a nice shot. She looked back at her dad. Oh, she changed outfit. Did she?
I think so, because in the evening you have a different gown sometimes.
Oh, this is so beautiful. I can't.
Wow, look at the light, so beautiful.
That's a nice
It's
photography.
so dreamy. Must have been the perfect wedding for real.
That's like. Oh, look at the cake.
Damn.
There's flowers even on the cake.
Because they had some extra, they were like, where are we gonna put them? Just throw them on the cake.
Oh, that's a nice shot.
Wow.
I hope that video's gonna end
Oh!
here. That's a nice shot.
Fade to black.
Oh, wow. Nice incorporated with the logo.
Love it!
What a nice way to start the day. It's just 9 a.m. right now, and
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
those
I love
two
this
make
romance.
those two make me fall in love.
Yeah.
What do you think? When are you gonna propose to me, bitch?
When you learn how to fold your laundry,
I fold
and
my
clean
laundry
your damn
and I clean my apartment.
you don't, you just spit on
I'm
my
sorry.
face.
Okay, we're not gonna fight because that was such a cute video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you're married, if you're single,
react
if
to
you're
your
dating. If you want to invite us to your wedding, let us know.
And we'll come, we'll show up,
We
we'll
will show
react
up.
live to it.
For real.
Yeah. But you
Anyway.
need to accept all the critics, we're gonna say.
No. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was the cutest wedding video. That's the only wedding video I've seen so far this year. So they have the Wedding of the Year award so far.
Yay!
Thank you so much. And we'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.